This is Johnny.
And this is Johnny. And welcome to my kitchen today.
Welcome to my kitchen today.
What are we going to make?
Cookies.
We are going to make cookies. Anyone likes fudgy, chocolatey, with macadamia nuts? Is anyone like those kind of cookies?
Yes!
Yeah, we love those cookies. I think it's the second favorite after chocolate chips, of course. For my husband, he enjoys those cookies a lot. So yummy, so delicious, and easy to make. By the way, you don't need any special mixer or anything. Even Johnny can make, right? Are you ready? The ingredients for these simple cookies. We need all-purpose flour, unbleached, of course, organic as always, cacao powder or cocoa powder, or you can even use Dutch process powder. Doesn't matter really in these ingredients, and I will explain later why it's not important. Sugar, I'm using raw organic canned sugar, good quality butter. Every cookie needs some kind of fat, needs some butter or any other vegan version. If you like to substitute with coconut, you can. Coconut oil will work in this recipe, but we like with butter. Also yogurt. I'm using homemade yogurt. You can use kefir, or you can use sour cream. You can use even buttermilk. Really, anything that can activate soda. Blackstrap molasses. I love this blackstrap molasses. I'm using quite a bit. It has so many minerals and does not have much sugar. So every time when I feel like I want to cut on sugar, blackstrap molasses, it's a good way to add little that dark brown sugar flavor without adding too much sugar. Vanilla extract, and the center of the the key ingredients of this recipe, it's macadamia nuts. Oh, thank you, baby. Macadamia nuts, we like them. Do you like macadamia nuts?
Yes.
Do you like to eat them? He actually eats any nuts. Let's do it. All right, you ready? So, are you going to help me to mix? Okay. All dry ingredients we mix together. Which one? Dry ingredients. Can you show me? This one?
Yeah.
Flour. Okay. Can you dump it? Yes, everything. We need about 2.5 cups. And then we need cacao powder. Yeah. Good job. Can you add soda?
This?
Yeah.
The white?
Baking soda. Yeah. Can you add? Good job. Some more? Oh. And now salt.
Salt this?
What salt?
No.
Here's the salt. Okay. Can you whisk? So we're whisking all dry ingredients except sugar. In baking world, sugar is a wet ingredient because when you melt, sugar turns to liquid. Can you whisk? Whisk. He's lefty. He's lefty. Oh my gosh. Be careful. Be careful. Less mass. Less mass. Oh, a little mess. Yeah, it's okay. Little flour escape. All right. Can mommy help a little bit?
Yeah.
All done. Done.
Ooh, it's like now it's ready.
Now it's ready. Now choose some kind of heavy bottom pan, and we're going to melt. Can you add butter and sugar to the pan?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's do
That's
it.
the best.
Good job. Almost, almost. Perfect. And then butter.
That's gonna be hot.
Oh, and now we need it. And on low heat, low to medium, on low to medium heat, can you whisk? We need to melt. Oh, it's melting, yeah? now we need to add molasses. You can actually melt butter separately, and after it's melted you can add sugar and molasses, or you can do like we do in Simplifies. You can do all together. With Johnny we are cutting a little bit short of time, right? So we are doing faster. We melt all together, which is fine. This cookie is so easy for
Well,
giving.
it's like fat.
Oh yes. We need 1/3 of cup.
Oh, it's hot here.
Just a bit of accomplishment.
Melting, Mom.
Melting, awesome. Good job.
Like molten chocolate.
Like a chocolate. Looks like fudge. It looks like fudge. It's a fudge cookie. Now remove from heat. We'll turn off heat for and we need to add yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yeah, so we need to add yogurt and vanilla extract.
You have to fill this all up. Fill of yogurt. Yeah.
What do you want to add first? Vanilla extract or yogurt? What we adding first? Extract?
Yeah.
Okay, we add in extract. This cookie, no matter what you do, will come out great. 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons.
And then white
Mix
yogurt.
and mix again. Mix again.
Yeah.
Slow. And now we need 1/3 cup of yogurt.
Ooh. Hot chocolate.
Just like that. Oh my gosh, my Johnny. So now we need to add dry ingredients to wet ingredients. As I already mentioned, doesn't matter what kind of cocoa powder you will use, whatever you have on hands, because we're going to activate soda with yogurt. So this recipe will work no matter what. And yogurt, it's very important to add when you take it off from heat, because you won't keep alive some bacteria when you take off from heat yogurt. So will activate acid natural in yogurt or kefir, whatever you're using, cocoa powder. Little by little. Can you mix? Good job. Good job.
Mix it up.
Yeah, we mix it now. Давай, давай, давай. Good job. Slow, slow, slow.
I want to bring cookies to my school.
And you want to share with everybody?
Yeah.
All right. And meanwhile, I will chop some nuts. All my nuts I like to pre-soaked and then dry back in the oven on low heat until they're crispy again, but still nice and has nice texture. I love macadamia nuts. They have so much fat. Also, macadamia nuts has a lots of soluble fiber, which is feed our microbiome, microbes, our good friendly bacteria, and keep happy our.
It's so hard to do
gut.
this. You do it, Mom.
All right,
So
I will
hard.
do. I will do.
It's so hard, like Mom. I still can do it.
Chop, 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 chop. So the fudge dough is ready. As you see, it's nice. Oh my gosh, I'm ready to eat as it is. And add your nuts. You're such a good helper, Johnny. almost the way we want. Almost. This cookie is also great to make ahead of time. And what I like to do, I like to make like little roll, like a sausage, and keep in the fridge or even freezer. We divide in two rolls and shape like a sausage. And when time to bake, it's nice when you can chill for 30 minutes. If you don't have time, you can scoop and bake as it is. You can make like little balls and you can bake as it is, but I like to put and chill in a fridge. And often I make and keep in the refrigerator overnight or something. And when time have dessert, I always have fresh cookie. Look at him, he is trying. He is good helper. Yeah? Good helper.
Oh, you can scoop it in.
Now they are ready for fridge for 30 minutes and we'll get back. We need to cut about 1 inch apart.
How far?
All right, can you open? Can you open? Can you roll? Unroll? Oh my, look at that. Like big sausage.
It's like
Now we need to cut.
blackies. The black. Yeah.
Maybe here. That?
Sure. Right one.
The cookie is ready, as you see. They're nice and beautiful and already. It looks like ready to eat. Place in an oven, 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. This cookie, very crucial, do not overbake, it will turn to rock. So underbake it's fine when it's lightly set and it's all you need. It will continue to cook when you take out from oven and keep for a few minutes on a baking sheet. Do not overbake this cookie. Look at that. It's very hot. Be careful. Beautiful.
Oh my, it doesn't even break.
Yes, one is ready. We cannot try after they settle for a few minutes on a baking sheet. You transfer them to a rack, cooling rack, and now try to test the cookies. Which one would you like?
I like this one.
Okay. Let's do cheers. Nice and soft, fudgy, sweet, crunchy. I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a like and subscribe. Support my channel on Patreon if you like.
This juice spray. Bye bye.
And see you next time. Bye bye. Are they delicious?
See you later. There.
From there.